Hi, Miss Chris here from the Wonder Room. Today we're going to do a little demonstration about how we make some homemade Play-Doh. So we start with about a cup of flour, and then we add a half a cup of salt. And we toss that together a little bit. And then we start adding a little bit of oil. This is a tablespoon. We start with a tablespoon of oil. This is a good time to add your food coloring if you're going to add coloring to your Play-Doh. And then we start adding a little bit of water at a time. Just stir it, start to bring it together. And you can start just with a spatula. Eventually, you have to get your hands in there. And what I have found to be helpful when I'm making it is to put a little bit of oil on my hands, just so that it isn't as sticky when I'm pushing it together. Take that out, and then you just kind of combine it together. If you see how it's not collecting, I'm going to add a little more water just to moisten up that part. My hands still have a little bit of oil on them so that it's not getting all sticky on my hands. This dough does feel, the texture feels a little rougher because of the amount of salt. If you want it to feel a little less, then put more flour in and less salt. But now you can see it's all come together into a ball. And if you didn't add the food coloring earlier, you can crack it open and put some food coloring in and close it up. And then when your child is like mixing it and moving it around with their hands, the color will start to spread, and that's kind of a neat little simple surprise. What color is it going to be? Play-Doh. So there's a basic Play-Doh recipe. Enjoy, and I think our next post are going to give you some more ideas of different things that you can use with Play-Doh that you can find right around your house.